Ohio is one of the most pioneering, legendary, trend-setting, and diverse states in the country. The American Federation of Labor was founded in Columbus. 7 United States presidents were born in Ohio. Ohio was the first state to enact laws protecting working women. Oberlin College was the first interracial and coeducational college in the United States. The state of Ohio is home to more than 12 million people and nearly 3 million people that represent diverse cultures. There are more than 100,000 persons with disabilities and over 800,000 veterans in Ohio. As our country and the state of Ohio grow more diverse, so does our need to embrace and recognize diversity in every aspect of our lives.
Everything we do here, we try to encourage diversity on everything across the board. And where we see that diversity isn't occurring, we speak up on it.
The Ohio Champions of Diversity Awards works in partnership with the Ohio Conference NAACP, representing over 70 chapters statewide, to bring diverse communities together and celebrate our accomplishments and commitment to diversity. The Ohio Champions of Diversity Awards, created by Ohio publishing legend Amos H. Lynch Sr. and his nephew Orville C. Lynch Jr., who also created the annual Martin Luther King Jr. Breakfast in Columbus, is proud to be the first and only awards program of its kind in Ohio.
I was evidently the first African American chief counsel in the Attorney General's office, first elected judge of the Franklin County Municipal Court, first on the Supreme Court of Ohio, first on the United States Court of Military Appeals, and the first judge of the United States District Court. It's great to be the first doing this or that, but it would be horrible if I'm going to be last.
We recognize the diverse efforts of individuals and corporations with 500 or more employees who demonstrate outstanding efforts in diversity leadership, development, supplier, workforce, and community outreach. It is truly an inclusive event, representing persons of African American, Hispanic, Asian, Somali, LGBT, disabled, veterans, and emerging and general market communities. The Ohio Champions of Diversity Awards program is a unique, one-of-a-kind annual 2-day event that includes an awards luncheon and an online and in-person career fair and workshops. This event is put together and run by all Ohio small minority-owned and operated businesses. Included are CareerTown Networks, Spencer for Hire Media, White House Media Group, T Communications, Black Central Creative, and Urban Trendsetters Media. The monies generated to host the Ohio Champions of Diversity Awards stay in Ohio, with partial proceeds benefiting the Ohio Conference NAACP. In order to continue to recognize, celebrate, and honor Ohio leaders and corporations, we need your continued support, participation, and we welcome your suggestions on how we can make each awards event and career fair bigger and better. We invite you to plan to join us for the 5th Annual Ohio Champions of Diversity Awards on September 25th, 2015. It will again be held in the beautiful Aladdin Shrine Event and Conference Center. On behalf of the Ohio Conference NAACP, CareerTown Networks, Spencer for Hire Media, our staff, volunteers, sponsors, and media partners, thank you for joining us today. We invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy.